Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany and today I am here with a new type of video and I'm calling it Sew in 30. So I'm gonna just let you all know where my head's at with it and then y'all feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. So I was thinking what other type of sewing video can I add to my channel, because right now I only have the Sew With Me videos where we complete, a full pattern. So I was thinking what else could I do, because I know I have a lot of you all who like to see more sewing videos more frequently, but a lot of the times with sewing, because it is kind of like my hobby and something that I like to just do to relax myself, I don't always record and like share walking through the full pattern. A lot of times I just maybe share maybe one or two patterns, but I know you all would like to see more. And sometimes, I don't know about you all, but I just like to sit and watch people sew sometimes. I enjoy it. So I was thinking what other type of sewing video could I add to the channel that would be interesting, and I thought about Sew in 30. So, I mean, it is just what it says, Sew in 30. The idea behind it was for me to just turn my camera on and for you all to just, see me working through a project in 30 minutes. My why behind that, I know you may be thinking, but my why behind it is because I know we all have busy schedules, and sometimes, if you don't have 2 hours set aside to complete a project, your mind may think, what's the point? 30 minutes here is really not a big deal. But honestly, 15, 30, 45 minutes here and there working on a project is big. And at the end of the week, those 30 minutes, you could have completed a full project. So my idea behind Sew in 30 is to, show you my camera, have a little timer on the screen somewhere, and just let it count down 30 minutes, and at the end I will show you the progress that I was able to make, whether it was just sewing my shoulder seams together or setting in one sleeve or whatever it is that I was able to get done. Maybe I was able to complete the full project, but I just want the Sew in 30 is more of encouragement for you all to just use whatever time that you have to get a project started or complete. I do want to say though, for these Sew in 30 videos, you won't be seeing a finished garment at the end like you would in my Sew With Me videos, and here's why. The Sew With Me videos, we're sewing through the complete pattern, so I'm completing the project and then I'm photographing it. For the Sew in 30, I'm only doing 30 minutes of sewing, so I'm showing you what I can get done in 30 minutes. So I won't always finish the project in 30 minutes. I may only attach the shoulder, like I said. So I'll be able to show you where I start at and the progress that I get made at the end of the 30 minutes. So don't expect, full photos of the finish, because then you'll be like, you sold more than 30 minutes, Brittany. So I just wanted to let you all know that you can expect finished looks in my Sew With Me videos, but not in my Sew in 30 videos. So yeah, you all let me know what you think about that idea down in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.